Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to automatically convert image URLs to attachments here in Airtable. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Airtable, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To automatically convert image URLs into attachments here in Airtable, you can use a few different methods depending on your preferences and the tools you have available. Once you're logged into your account, if you have the file that you work with, open the base on here in Airtable. If you haven't, click on the create in the bottom left corner and start from scratch. Now here, we can choose the brand or the identity that closely resembles our logo, and I'm choosing this color. Now, this is very important, all right? So here, I'm going to add another field, and that's going to be for the URL because we wanted to automatically convert the image URL in Airtable. So field name is going to be image URLs. All right. Create a field. I'm going to drag this on the left side as the primary field. Now, here, I'm going to delete the name for now because we don't need this field, plus the notes and the assignee. For now, we're going to click another field here, and that's going to be the attachment. Create field, and I'm going to set this side by side with the image URL. Right? Now, after working on it, okay, so I'm working with this specific image, and I wanted to save this to, say, for example, Google Drive. All right, so I have plenty of options. I'm going to click on the file and save it as like a PNG for now because this is going to be the thumbnail for this video once I have finished recording. All right. Now I'm switching over to Canva after creating the image. I'm going to go to the templates for the YouTube thumbnail because I'm going to upload the file here. Wait for it. I'm going to rename this as this one right here, and I'm going to click on upload. Now this is the file that I'm going to work with. I'm going to stretch this until here, and then I'm click on the share button. I have the option to download as PNG, PDF standard, or JPEG, but instead I'm going to click on the see all and save it in Google Drive. All right, because I need the image URL so I can convert it automatically to attachment in Airtable. I'm gonna click on save, and then what will happen is I would be forwarded in the section we're in. Now, after the design has been saved, I'm gonna quickly go over to my Google Drive to see if the image has been saved as URL. As you can see, I was able to save this to my Google Drive, and now all I have to do is go to the three dots, more actions. I'm gonna click on the share and copy that link. All right, and I'm switching over to Airtable. I'm gonna put in the image URL here. I'm going to maximize it so it's easier to check. Now, the next thing is we're going to need some help from an extension. Click on it, and here, all I have to do is click on the add an extension. Now, on the search bar, type in URL and press enter. And there's going to be an option here that says convert attachments to URLs, and also convert URLs to attachments depending on your preferences. All right. But obviously, what we're looking is to automatically convert image URLs to attachments. All right. So the first one, click that. And then now from here, all I have to do is click on the universe base, and then you can also view the source right here, so you can copy it to your extension. But the thing is, you cannot use the extension on free plan. You need to upgrade your plan to add this extension. And if you click on this button, you see you have all these. Just click on upgrade and you'd be able to use this script very easily without any problem. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.